using HighOh boob tape, and I'll show you how it works. Application. So this is it. Kind of feels like a ace bandage maybe. I don't know, like for sprains. And it has this paper on the back, so you just cut off where you think it'll be good. I'll give it, if you want to give yourself like a lift, I'd give you some more space so you can just, you know, wrap it on up. And for like a top like this, I'll kind of go at an angle so it can, like, as the shirt goes in an angle. And I'll do two. I'm gonna give myself a little lift. You can also use them if you just don't want to wear a bra. But the boob tape does come with nipple covers, so you can use that as well. So it all works. So I have them on, and you can't really tell. I don't have large breasts, so we don't do too much of a lift. But anyway, here's what it looks like. And it's perfect, so can't really tell. Voila. I will post the link in my bio. You can check it out, and I'll also leave it in the caption. Thanks for watching.